Today is an important day as the US macroeconomic figures will hardly affect financial markets. The fact is that the European Central Bank will announce its meeting decision. That's why all eyes will be turned to this event. Last week, Christine Lagarde said that the first key rate cut might take place as early as this summer. Investors are now waiting for official confirmation of these words. If the regulator confirms statements on the timing of the start of a monetary policy easing at the meeting or a press conference, the euro will start losing value, thus affecting the pound sterling. What's more, the timing of monetary policy loosening by the Fed is under question because of an unexpected jump in the US inflation. Meanwhile, sellers of the euro got information that encouraged them to become more active. According to the InstaForex experts, the business climate in Germany dropped once again, and this time the indicator slumped to the lowest level since the pandemic began in May 2020. Pessimism is mounting in German corporations and among entrepreneurs. Even the largest automobile corporation, Mercedes-Benz, is open to selling the dealerships and workshops it owns in Germany, including its headquarters in Stuttgart. The car production is moving to China, where the company will launch the creation of a four-cylinder engines in a cooperation with Geely. It's obvious that such changes were caused by some troubles. On the trading chart, we see that the euro climbed above 1.09 against the US dollar. However, it failed to consolidate at this level and closed below it. This points to the still existing bearish sentiment among traders. If the price does not consolidate above 1.09 on the daily chart, the correctional cycle is likely to continue and the volume of short orders will increase if the euro slides below 1.0850, thus pointing to a decline towards 1.08. Meanwhile, the pound-dollar pair returned to the middle level of 1.27 after a surge in activity recorded near the upper limit of the range of 1.26 and 1.28. Under the current conditions, the price settlement below 1.27 may boost the volume of short positions and cause them to hover in the lower area of the range. Traders will see full-scale price movement once it leaves the sideways channel. Since the flat movement has been in force for 6 weeks already, it's highly possible that its limits are not very strong, and speculators may allow the price to stop its formation. And that's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.